Today we're taking a look at some solid value DDR4 memory courtesy of KingBank. KingBank sent over two 16GB DDR4 3200 megatransfer memory DIMMs for us to take a look at. DDR4 based systems aren't the latest and greatest anymore, but they're definitely still alive and well. And oftentimes, if you're building a budget system, the value still can't be beat, as prices are quite low nowadays. Today, I'll be upgrading from an older 16GB kit in my Ryzen 3700X GTX 1070 8GB budget gaming PC build. As you probably know, these days with tons of extra apps that most people are running in the background, streaming video or just streaming to Twitch or YouTube while you're playing games is getting pretty common. 16GB of system memory definitely does work, but 32GB is going to let you do quite a bit more without hurting performance or requiring you to scale back in terms of what you have open at any given time. Today I'll be testing the 32GB kit. It consists of two 16GB DIMMs. These memory DIMMs are coming with silver heatsinks, which is nice, much better than bare DIMMs in my opinion, as the heatsinks will help if you get into overclocking. In terms of this kit's positioning price-wise, it's actually quite competitive with most of the other DDR4 32GB memory kits that I've seen lately. This kit is of course rated for 3200 megatransfers at CL16 timings. The XMP or DOCP mode sets the memory kit to about 1.35 volts. After installing it in my system, it basically ran flawlessly right from the first boot up, which is excellent to see. In terms of having that extra 16GB of system memory available, I definitely found it useful, and I think you will too, especially in 2025. I took a look at gaming performance in 3D Mark TimeSpy, Final Fantasy XIV Dawn Trail, and I did notice a slight bump in performance in these benchmarks. Having extra RAM definitely helped with having more things open like OBS, bunch of Chrome tabs, Discord, and a bunch of other little applications while I was gaming. I frequently like to play games and watch YouTube videos while I kind of do some other stuff too. I know it's kind of hard to split your attention that many ways, but that's just kind of how I use my computer now. And 32GB of system memory definitely lets me achieve that comfortably. As for this KingBank 32GB CL16 kit, right now it looks like it's coming in around $50 on Amazon, but at the time that I'm actually making this video, it's actually on sale for just under $40, which in my opinion is a pretty awesome deal, especially if you're upgrading or you just want to add some more memory to your DDR4 based system. So if you're running an older system with just 16GB of system memory, at these prices, I would definitely recommend taking a look at a kit like the KingBank one that I have here in order to breathe a little bit more life into that system. I'm actually using this budget gaming system as kind of a backup system, but I do use it with some frequency, and it's really running well now. If you're interested in picking up this memory kit for your system, or just learning more about what KingBank has to offer, I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below, so you can definitely head down there and check that out. If you're into gaming PC or home lab videos, or just component videos like this one, definitely consider getting subscribed to the channel and ringing that bell for notifications. Until next time, keep on gaming.